Some useful tips when you use the BLK2GO. All SLAM systems, simultaneous localization and mapping, require reference point and geometries that are used in the scan for the localization and mapping of the environment. Always look for a trajectory that makes this possible. As we say, the BLK2GO uses the Grand SLAM system, which is a combination of three different systems. The ladder SLAM, a two-axis ladder that identifies different surfaces and unique geometries to understand its position in the 3D space. Visual SLAM, the VIS system, through three panoramic cameras, are used to identify similarities within the consecutive images and calculate the movement in the 3D space. IMU, the inertial measurement unit, which allows the orientation of the BLK2GO in the space through its sensors. The visual SLAM system is therefore not using the dark lighting environment. In these cases, the BLK2GO continues to work using the LiDAR and the IMU. It is possible to use external lighting support to improve the lighting condition of the environment. During the initialization phase, it is important that the BLK2GO has a good readability of the environment. It is important not to cover the scanner dome and not to place it too close to possible obstacles. During the acquisition phase, it is recommended to give the BLK2GO a good field of view, using the instrument at face height and not too close to the walls. For the transition within one environment to another, we can instead stop for a few seconds while moving laterally in order to give greater visibility to the scanner. During the acquisition phase, you might come across areas that can disturb your connection with the BLK2GO and the field application. In this case, we can activate the airplane mode by leaving the Wi-Fi connection turned on. The BLK Live field application allows you to manage jobs and individual scan and to export the data, but if you're looking for additional functionality in field, we recommend to use the second field. Second field allows the lining of the multiple scan in field, point cloud cleaning, and other tools that will allow you to easily insert the tags. During the post-processing in Office with X4Office Fusion, it is possible to use virtual or physical target. The physical targets are available on the X4Office Fusion installation folder and can be directly printing. The physical target must be correctly used within the scene and easily recognizable from the scans. For this reason, we recommend you to stop a few seconds near the target in even 4 or 5 seconds at 1 meter distance could be optimal.